Unit 001 is complete and rolling out. Flawless activation, on to the next. Initiating AR scan on the Silva sedan. Structural integrity check complete, all parameters nominal. Proceeding to next module. Specs are optimal, acceleration and range are impressive, aerodynamics are perfect, the drag coefficient is excellent. The exterior design optimizes aerodynamics, and the interior offers full connectivity.
A truly integrated experience.
The reinforced chassis here improves crash safety. How does it affect the weight distribution? It's balanced, the simulation confirms it.
See this line here?
Yeah, I see it. A slight imperfection.
Let's flag it.
Agreed. Check the alignment specs here.
Yes, but the tolerance is off.
Let's adjust the joint. How's the fit on that seal? Good, just smoothing the edge now. Cables are secure, check the diagnostics. Voltage is stable, running the cell test now. Confirmed, looks good. Okay, lower it down, keep it level. Copy that, going down slow, aligning now, almost there, perfect fit, good job. Need the wrench for this bolt.
Here you go.
Torque on this bolt is good.
Alignment looks fine on this side.
Great, let's check the other side. Cable's connected, powering it on, boot it up, looks good. All right, lift on 3. It's clear, keep it steady, aligning now, good, hold. Unit 001 is complete and rolling out. Flawless activation, on to the next. Initiating AR scan on the Silva sedan. Structural integrity check complete, all parameters nominal. Proceeding to next module.